Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I got a pocket knife to show you, and this one is a scout knife or a camping scout knife. Some people call it a hobo. Got the clip point blade here with the tang stamp, Colonial Prov USA. It's got a fork and a spoon, and on the back of the fork and the spoon it says stainless Colonial Prov USA. It's got a can opener, and we got the faux bone plastic scales, and I think this knife was made in the 60s. I'm not totally sure, but I think that's right around where it's probably from.